Futuro Communities Incorporated is a nonprofit organization committed to the improvement and change in the Middle Rio Grande communities. One of the many initiatives of this grassroots organization is the implementation of the Community Technology Centers, CTCs.
The CTCs is responding to the problem of the digital divide. By providing computer access and educational services to the community, the centers allow the participants to expand their knowledge base of information technology and its applications, thus helping the people of this region obtain valuable skills and experience to compete in today's workforce.
My name is Veronica Polendo, and I'm the CTC manager here in Eagle Pass. I've been here for quite a while, and I've actually seen people that had never been in front of a computer come into the lab and learn a lot. Adults, little kids, high school students, junior high students. We've had people that come in and they learn how to use the keyboard. And this gives them an opportunity to get a better job at their facility. And we have people that look up to use the GD course, to learn English, to use the keyboard, learn spreadsheets, different programs that we do have access to. And actually, they feel very proud and confident of coming back and knowing that they're going to learn more every time they come in. This is a free program where you can come in, use the internet, use as many programs as we offer.